Yeah, Dad, I understand. I know. I already got it. Yeah, the hit's been put out. Or at least it will be here very shortly. No, I told you I'll get to it when I get to it. Now give me a minute now. Yeah, Dad, I got other stuff to worry about right now. All right. Yeah, we'll talk to you later. Bye. Oh!
No, take it. It'll be an insult. I'm sorry. Take it.
I don't need.
Please, take it.
Okay. Whatever, man. Hey, yeah, Dudley. Hey, listen, buddy. I got a new target for you. Yeah, his name's Jake Falk. Yeah, don't give a shit if it costs extra. Just get the job done. Okay. Oh, man, it's good to be me. It's good to rid the world of inferior idiots. Random ass book. It's another piece of rubbish that I don't need. Oh boy. Dudley is sure is good at what he does. Oh, what the hell? What? No! What? What the fuck? What the fuck is going on? What the fuck? Oh my god. Ah! What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh. Remorse? Die? What? Remorse for what? Hi, Dad. Look, we gotta stop this. It's gonna kill us. We can't do this anymore. Look, you keep going down the road you're going if you want, but I'm done. I've had enough. What? Drone. Hang on a minute. I know you. You're the one that gave me this book.
So you survived.
I survived? Wait, hold on. No, who the hell are you? And what's the meaning of this? But you can't just...
I was sent by order.
Who the hell's order? Look, you can't just barge into my house like this.
impressed us. You passed the test.
What test? What the fuck are you talking about?
Let me show you.